Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with make.com for funnel earnings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating with make.com, first, visit the make.com website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your make.com account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Integrations tab in the sidebar menu. Click on the Integrations tab to access the available options. Search for the specific service or app you want to connect for your funnel earnings. Select the desired service from the list of integrations. You will be prompted to authenticate your account with that service. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permission. You may need to log into the service if you aren't already logged in. Once you've logged in, approve the necessary permissions. After authentication, you will receive a confirmation message on make.com. Return to the dashboard to verify that the integration is active. Now, create a new scenario by clicking on the Create a New Scenario button. Choose the service you just authenticated from the available modules. Set up triggers based on your funnel requirements. Add the necessary actions to your scenario that relate to your funnel earnings. Test your scenario by running it in make.com. Monitor the results to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Adjust any settings as needed based on the outcomes of your test. Once confirmed, save your scenario to keep your settings. Now you are ready to utilize make.com for tracking your funnel earnings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.